I shall not enter Odin's hall with fear. There, I shall wait for my sons to join. And when they do, I will bask in their tales of triumph. The Aesir will welcome me. My death comes without apology. And I welcome the Valkyries to summon me home. Deliver me, O Lord, from my enemies. Elektrisieren! Over there, now!
I always dream of you. Last night, I dreamt you were feeding me blood pudding.